Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Pullers.io, the new DeFi concept for the prediction market. And we're going to first start off with mentioning that tomorrow, December 3rd, the start of the Pullers big trading competition begins. We're finally happy to announce the official start date of the big trading competition on the testnet. 300K plus NFT plus 30% airdrop. The event starts on December 3rd, 2021 at the Heko Chain testnet and lasts for 10 days. So this is going to be a big deal, a trading competition with 300K plus NFTs and 30% airdrop. And, they're happy to inform the official rollout of the Pullers platform on the Heko chain as part of a marketing and infrastructure partnership. The platform will begin or really work both on testnet and on the mainnet with the Pullers app officially becoming a part of the Heko ecosystem. Now you can also connect with the Heko chain testnet to your MetaMask itself. So if you guys want, you guys can see all of this information here. I'll actually leave links down in the description so you guys can take a look yourself, but it actually walks you through on how to connect your Heko chain testnet to your MetaMask, and it gives you more information about this trading competition on December 3rd altogether. They do have a bounty program we're going to talk as well about here in just a minute, but before we talk about it, I want to give you guys kind of an introduction or kind of an overview of the Pullers.io website and understanding what this really platform or what this is all about. So to start off, like we said, the new DeFi concept for the prediction market, and they do have a competition participation here. And this is where we kind of go over to the Pullers big trading competition, and it talks a little bit more in details on the registration conditions and everything else. But I want to jump down a little bit farther and talk a little bit about some of the partnerships with Near, Ethereum, obviously Polkadot, all working together with Pullers. And if we jump down to the base concept, you can see the price of Pullers tokens depends on the results of specific external events. It talks about the white token. So if the white team actually wins, then the price of the white token will rise and the price of the black token will fall by the same amount. If the black token wins or the black team wins, then the rise of the black token will rise and the price of the white token will fall by the same amount. So it's a very, very cool kind of concept there. And you can see how it kind of lays out with this platform, and black and white aggregate collateral will remain stable. So that's a big deal to remember as well. And then we jump down a little bit farther. They talk about their predict and earn. So make predictions and earn on the change in price of the Puller tokens after the end of each event. And they talk a little bit more about the main advantage of Puller. So the problem being low liquidity. The main problem of prediction market is the problem of low liquidity. Users do not buy illiquid forecast markets, and liquidity providers do not supply liquidity to unpopular markets. We also have the solution being concentrated liquidity. Pullers solve the problem of low liquidity at one point in time. On the Pullers platform, within one pair of Puller tokens, the interests of liquidity providers, better traders, arbitragers, and holders are connected. This creates concentrated liquidity and impressive trading volume that is independent of the popularity of events. So there's going to be more and more really just fairness altogether across the board when it comes to this prediction market. We can see more on the business model as well. So liquidity providers equaling kind of 40%, the base pool 5%, buyback and burn 25%, advanced users 30%. So you can see how their business model kind of works. The swap fees on the Puller platforms are divided into these four streams. As we jump down to the Pullers features, there are a lot of them. So they have 9 listed. Let's talk about the first one, the governance tool. We've talked about governance before. It's definitely a valuable asset to continue to have in a lot of these different kind of cryptos. Governance is going to be something that is, continued to be all about trading, or not trading, but voting. And that's exactly what you see here, like usual. We have revenue share as well. So 40% of all commissions are received by liquidity providers, 30% of commissions are received by advanced users, and another 25% of commissions are bought back, POL and burned. Then they have simple app. So they have the simple and familiar application interfaces that have a lot in common with Uniswap interfaces. Everything is initiative or intuitive. You can actually see that, it's very easy to get around. They have a gamified experience as well, or gamified process. Puller tokens imply opposing teams and a constant competitive spirit. Real world events, they have commutative price impact, ideal token volatility. They have arbitration opportunities and no slippage of pool. So all 9 of these features are huge as to what will make this platform great. So Pullers.io, definitely a prediction market that's going to continue to do very, very well. If we jump down a little bit farther, by the way, POL token, it talks about the governance, the create your own Puller tokens, use POL as the base collateral asset, get rewards and farming distributions in POL, 30% of platform fees used in POL buyback, and distribute bot tokens between advanced users. They also talk about their 25% of platform fees used in buyback burn. So how to buy Pool. If you guys are interested in buying Pool, it's going to be available on PancakeSwap and Uniswap. You can see that here. So if you click either one, it'll actually bring you over there. So let's click both. Here's Uniswap's first. You can just import the token and get buying. And then we have, obviously, PancakeSwap, the same situation. You just import the token address and you can start buying. You guys have done this before. If you guys have been following the channel for a while, most likely. I want to jump, though, down into the partners and sponsors. So some big names here, obviously, Hecko, Fetch.ai, and a lot of great other ones as well. It just continues to show that there's a lot of, work going on behind the scenes, continuing to push Polars.io farther. The big trading competition that we talked about, something we want to continue to talk about because there's 300K plus prize pool and airdrop on the line. So definitely participate if you guys are looking to get involved with that. And the mainnet, by the way, is coming soon. So this is another big reason as to why Polars could be a very, very really well received coin here in the next couple of months. The mainnet coming, obviously fairness when it comes to the prediction market itself, and kind of all these features and ideas of utility that really kind of, not hinder, but definitely help make this Polars.io special. Another thing we always want to jump into is the audit. So if we click the audit, it'll actually bring us to the smart contract audit by Zokyo. It talks about how it passed a score of 95, and it gives you all of the risk involved. Now, I will say, for the most part, Polars is a very, very solid and safe coin to invest in. Obviously, I will say I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. But if you are looking to get involved with another coin, this could be the one. I will say, guys, if you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. And if you have not followed me on Twitter, make sure to follow me on Twitter, CryptoProfitYT. I also want to say I will have all links down in the description below for Polars.io. You can see here the new DeFi concept for the prediction market. Definitely give them a follow and find more on Polars through their Telegram, their Twitter, and their website. Like I said, will be down in the description below. So just tomorrow, just a reminder, guys, we do have the start of Polars' big trading competition. 300K NFTs and 30% airdrops on the line. Thank you guys again for tuning in. I'll see you guys all in the next one.